Hi my loves, welcome back to another video. I'm so happy you guys are here, and for those who don't know me, my name is Rose Marie. I film all girly content, so if that's what you like, hit that subscribe button. I'm sure you're gonna love it here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get these beautiful press-on nails done at home for the low, of course. So keep in mind, I did have to practice before this, so only because I wanted to perfect it. So when it came down to it, I wanted to film a video for you guys. And now that I think I have it down, this is it. Like, I'm going to be showing you guys. And if there's any professionals out there watching this video and it's kind of cringy that you guys are watching me, keep the opinion to yourself, because I never said I knew what I was doing. So this is a beginner's tutorial and this is what I know based on the videos and research that I did. So with that being said, let's get into the video. Okay, so next we are going to choose the nails, and I think I'm going for the Coffin square French tip. They look like this. Let's pick them out and then I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so here they are. I placed it from thumb to pinky, so it's easier for me to actually like just pick them up and put them on my nails. So let's get into it, and I'm so excited because I have not tried the French tip styles and I'm excited for that. So let's see how we do. Okay, my loves, that is the end of the video. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Is there any questions you guys may have? Anything you guys want to know? Because like I said, I'm not a pro at this. This took a lot of like video watching on TikTok because I didn't know what I was doing. So in order for me to be able to film this video, I did have a couple practice runs. I also did watch more videos kind of to inform myself and kind of get the steps down so I would be confident enough to film this for you guys. So I am excited because I feel like I perfected it. I don't know about y'all. I feel like I did perfect it, but I could be wrong. And there could be people here that are like good at press-on nails and they might be like cringing so bad, but I'm in the learning process and that should be okay, you know? So let's not hate on that. But if you guys made it to the end, leave a boat emoji in the comments below. I will be watching. So with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and for my returning subscribers, people who have been here since when I literally made my first YouTube video, thank you guys so much. For those who are still here, and if I do see you guys in the comments, I will give you guys a shout out in my next video because I truly do appreciate the love and the support. And with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Till next time, bye.